Hello, this video is going to be about the Big Red Rooster. Even though this thing is a small white box. But it's Big Red Rooster, there's the model number, made in China, patents pending. It is a noisemaker, and it's got several different options. We use it for our little 2-3-year-old to keep her asleep at night. It's got several different settings here, as you can see, but the main thing is that it plugs in to keep it charged, but it also has battery option underneath here. You can see that it fits 3 AA batteries, and that way you can unplug it and it can run off of that as well. But it's super lightweight. I mean, it feels like it's empty inside, but the sound quality is actually pretty decent. Let me just share with you here. Turn it on. We usually keep it on white noise, and I'm just going to give an example here of the different noise options. So that's white noise. There's rain. I'll turn it on a little bit. There's brook. Thunder. Back to white noise. Ocean. And summer night, which I like. Now again, we have increase in volume, which does go actually pretty loud. It's on the max right there. And obviously very quiet if you need to. It also has 3 different timer settings for 15, 30, or 60 minutes, where it will just turn itself off. We don't usually use it, we mostly just keep it on all night, but I have tested it out and it does work. And overall, we've been pretty impressed with the quality of this item. And again, just for reference here, it is the Big Red Rooster. And now I'm upside down. Big Red Rooster.